guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm doing Christmas party dramatic and stunning makeup look. This makeup is not creating, actually I'm going to attend my work World Duty Free Airport job staff party, so I've just managed to recording, so I will show you step by step. So without delay at time, let's begin. And sorry for my voice today, got flu and sore throat. So let's start with the skincare. First step, apply from Q+A Super Food Facial Oil, help for anti-aging, calming, pore minimizing, skin fineness and hydration. Skin type to use: oily, stress, dry, sensitive, normal and combination. Next, apply moisturizing cream from Clarins Paris multi-active, help to reduce fine lines, and antioxidant day cream for all skin types. Then apply from Clinique All About Eye serum, help to reduce puffiness, fine line and keep your eye hydrating. And apply Vaseline lip balm rosy to keep lip plump and smooth. Next, doing color correcting from Huda Beauty, peach color correcting for slightly black under eyes and uneven skin tone, and apply in the under eyes, eyelid and where I have got uneven skin tone, and I blend out with a clean finger. You can blend out with a brush, and after applied, let it dry before apply anything. Next, apply from REVLON Skin Light Face Glow Luminous Shade 300. It's give you beautiful and some shine base, perfect for the night out or party. Next, apply foundation from Ester Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Full Coverage with SPF 10, shade 4 and 2, Spice Scent. First, apply with foundation brush and blend out with damp beauty sponge to get flawless result. Next, apply concealer from Maybelline New York Fit Me Shade 30 and apply in the under eyes, forehead, near mouth and in the chin. I'm going to use only one concealer, not going to use brighten concealer, otherwise I feel very heavy. After apply concealer, going to leave few minutes to settle down. Time being, apply clear brow fixing gel. After apply, leave it for the dry. Next, apply cream counter from NYX Wonder Stick Cream Counter medium 10 and apply in the cheekbone, forehead and in the nose. Then first blend out contour. For blending, I'm using contour brush and blend out till the smooth look. For the nose, I like to blend out with my finger, so you can use a small brush. Next, blend out concealer. Next, apply liquid blush from Geek Bear 01 pinkish color and apply in the higher point of the cheekbone. For blending, using blush brush and blend out from high point of the cheekbone till the temple. Next, doing eyebrow. So gel already dry, so pencil I'm using from MUA Define Micro Pencil and going to fill the sparse area. Then using same concealer and using a small flat brush and clean the eyebrow areas for the clean and sharp look, and same concealer apply in the eyelid as well. For blending, I'm using a small beauty blender. Next, apply loose translucent powder and slightly apply side of the nose, under eyes, eyelid, near mouth and cheekbone. Powder apply for the placement of the concealer before get crease line and for the long lasting makeup. If you got oily skin, apply in the whole face. Next, doing eye makeup. Simple, easy, bold and glamorous look. Black smoky eye. Very easy to create. First, apply any eye pencil in the whole eyelid till the eye crease. Eye pencil I'm using from Maybelline. After applied, blend out with eye brush till the smooth look. Next, use black eyeshadow and apply in the whole eyelid till the eye crease. Where apply the eye pencil, please don't go above. Then use clean eye brush and take very light color of the eyeshadow and just apply in the eye crease and eye bone and diffuse the black color and make sure there is no harsh lines. Next, apply same eye pencil in the waterline. Again, I'm using same light color of the eyeshadow and apply in the lower eyelashes and smoke out. Then using same concealer and flat brush and just slightly apply corner of the eyes to create eye makeup look sharp and clean and blend out with my finger. Next, apply mascara from MUA Loaded Lash XL Full Length Mascara. Then use big brush, clean the powder properly. Next, apply powder bronzer from REVLON. Is called Shape with little bit shiny, and I applied in the cheekbone, forehead. So guys, I escaped to apply powder blush. I thought it's going to look too much with my sparkly dress. Then apply highlighter from Deluxe Diva Baked Highlighter 01 Lively Champagne and apply in the high point of the cheekbone and on the nose. And lipstick from Bare Minerals Hydra Smoothing Lipsticks, and it's burgundy color. So this is my outfit with silver color jewelry and final look. I did wear off the camera fake eyelashes. So guys, I'm very happy with the final result. So guys, this makeup look you can create very easily. Whatever makeup products have you got. I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, comments, likes and share the video. That would be much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching my video, and everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2025. Have a great time. See you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.